Hi, my name is Michael Bergstrom. I'm the head of research at the American Scientific Supplements Laboratories. Congratulations on your Digestic purchase. You've just made a great step toward improving your intestinal health. I'm here to explain to you how to use Digestic and maximize its benefits in order to have a daily bowel movement and to put constipation issues behind you. You must start with 2 capsules daily, anytime during the day, and it can be taken before or after food. It's normal to feel some discomfort after the first use during the first 24 to 48 hours. If the abdominal discomfort continues, you may decrease the daily dosage to less than 2 capsules. On the contrary, if you don't see any significant change, you should increase the dosage up to 6 capsules daily. It's very important to listen to your body and adjust the quantity to find your right dosage. Also, it's strongly recommended to drink 2 glasses of water with each use. If you still need help finding your perfect dosage, please contact our customer care service and you'll be transferred to one of our specialized teammates to help you. Stay healthy, stay strong, and stay in touch.